In this tutorial, I will show you how to achieve seamless transition between different animation in Unreal Engine using Cascadeur. I will demonstrate how to blend aiming animation with a shooting animation to create a smooth and natural transition. This method works for any animation in Unreal. First, we'll select the animation we want to modify. I will duplicate it to preserve the original and move the copy to the content folder. Then I will change the skeleton of this animation to the one we need. Next, we need to create a keyframe that we'll use to blend the animation. For this, I will find the aiming animation. Select the keyframe that will serve as a base. Click Create Animation Current Pose. The base animation is ready. Then we will select the newly created animation, the base animation and the shooting animation. Then export them for use in Cascadeur. I will create a new scene and import the necessary animation. First, I will import our shooting animation along with the mesh. We need to free up the first frame for our key pose, which we'll use as starting point. To do this, I will shift all the keyframes one frame to the right. Next, we import the base pose animation without the mesh. Here you can clearly see the difference between the character poses in different animation. Switch to joint mode and select all the bonds. On frame 0, copy the pose. Select all frames. Select the last frame of the animation, switch to interval edit mode and paste our starting pose. We no longer need the first frame, so we restore the original number of frames by moving the keyframes back to their original positions. Our key pose is now blended smoothly across the entire animation. After that, export your animation in Unreal. Now our shooting animation will blend perfectly with our aiming animation. Thanks for watching, take care!